We are in Okrika local government today to meet with the Atiku Abubakar team. This local government is 100% articulated. Because we have no choice. Okrika local government is a beneficiary of the business acumen of Atiku Abubakar. The whole world knows the relationship between Atiku and Nicotes, now Intels, at an airport. At one point, more than 1,000 Okrika men and women were employed in that airport. Today, that port has been left to wallow because of politics. We want an Atiku as president to help resuscitate that port so that Okrika people will have opportunity to go back to work. We will follow those who destroyed the port. Secondly, we Okrika people have a destiny with God. God has chosen us to always support the winning side. And we know that God has chosen Atiku Abubakar to be the next president of Nigeria. Where God stands, we stand. For the Okrika people, where God stands, we stand. We don't stand with those who, like Nebuchadnezzar, decide to erect golden images and ask people to worship. We don't do that. We stand with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. No matter what the Nebuchadnezzars of this world say, we stand with God. You can't make us to worship the God of gold. To worship money, we don't and we will not. Because all of us, as you see us, we contributed to the building of St. Peter's Church. Even before we were born, because our grandparents, great-grandparents, all were made to contribute. We are a Christian state. And so we're also a Christian people. We are a Christian local government area. The politics of our nation is multifaceted. And we know that. We as Christians are happy that Atiku Abubakar picked Ifeanyi Okowa, a born-again Christian, as his running mate. Ifeanyi Okowa, who, by the way, is also my medical colleague, I'm proud of, is a born-again Christian. He's the running mate of Atiku Abubakar. When I look at the APC ticket and see two die-hard Muslims, some of whom are fanatical Muslims, who want Sharia to rule in Okrika, we will not support such a ticket because our religion does not allow it. We are not against Muslims. Atiku Abubakar is a Muslim, we support him because he has picked one of us, a born-again Christian, to be his running mate. So we support him. We have seen his programs. We know that it will benefit Nigeria. I had the privilege of working with Atiku Abubakar in Chief Olusegun Obasanjo's government. And we worked well together. And he played a huge role to help that government to deliver for the Nigerian people. If he is given the mantle of leadership, he will do 1 billion times better than what he did with Olusegun Obasanjo. So once again, my people, I want to encourage you. It might be hard. They might try to disrupt things. In fact, I pity our council chairman. I hope that he will not be punished for letting this happen. But there's no way we could have stopped it. Nobody can stop the movement when God's time comes. When God's time comes. When God's time comes, nobody can stop it. We didn't need the local government council chairman permission to gather as we have gathered today. We don't need his permission. So they should not go and punish the young man for nothing. Because he didn't even know that this meeting is going to hold. He didn't know. So they are not going to punish him to say, oh, why did you stop Abiye Sekibo from? Because he cannot. He cannot. Any attempt to stop us here, that means that you don't want your government to be at peace. We stand for peace. We stand for peace. We stand for truth. We stand for justice. But if you bring injustice, we shall deal with it. If you bring injustice, we shall deal with it. I use the opportunity to call on the law enforcement agencies to look into the activities of those who want, by decrees, by military decrees, to restrict the areas of campaign in this state and in this local government. It is not right. That is not democracy. Let everybody freely campaign for who he believes in. Here we have stated why we want Atiku Abubakar. Others are free to come and talk to our people on who they believe in. But if you say I cannot speak about Atiku Abubakar, then you're looking for my trouble. Yes, sir. And if you look for my trouble, I'm a walking chief. I don't run away from trouble. I am standing with my people, and the world is hearing me, and they should hear me well. We stand for peace. Anybody who says he wants to trample on our fundamental human rights of freely voting for who we want to vote for, of freely canvassing votes for who we want to canvass votes for, and says we cannot, then the person is looking for our trouble. Those who sow the wild wind will sow the wild wind. I don't know how they say it. If you want to bring trouble to us, we want to stop you on the way. So we'll come to your house and bring the trouble to you. We will not allow Okrika. We will not allow anybody to turn Okrika into a war zone. If you try it, we will bring it to your own house. We will bring it to your own house. You start problem here, we will bring problem to your own house. And we shall see where that will land us. Finally, my people, talk to our brothers and sisters, our husbands and our wives. Let them carry the story of Atiku Abubakar and Ifeanyi Okowa to the Krekese people, that this is their salvation. They have sowed in PDP. Okrika people have sowed in PDP. Since 1999, we sowed in this party. We don't have opportunity of being governor on the party platform, which we rightly deserve. We have a right to. Now, they say we cannot even support a presidential candidate of our choice. Far. It will not happen. It will not happen. PDP! PDP! Atiku Okowa! PDP! Thank you very much. God bless you. 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 Thank you very much. God bless you.
Please put your hands together for the chief.